Welcome to 2847 Havasupai Avenue in the sought-after community of Bayho, known for its central location with easy access to freeways, Mission Bay, beaches, amenities, shopping, downtown, and also hiking trails. This home is located on a peaceful street and is ready for its new owners to enjoy 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, lots of natural light, an open concept, and a lovely backyard. Take a look. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private tour to see this home, please contact me anytime.